Hi everyone, good morning and happy new year. So it's me Muzammil Ibrahim from Aerosmart. So today we have the DJI FlyCart 100 and we'll be talking and demonstrating about it. So let's go dive into it.
Meet the DJI FlyCart 100, DJI's most powerful step into professional aerial transport. The FlyCart 100 gives you options. Run a single battery for a massive 100 kilogram payload or switch to dual batteries and lift 85 kilograms with extra safety built in. Pouch-swappable batteries with a quick, secure lock, fast changes, zero hustle. 62-inch carbon fiber propellers with easy lock design paired with high torque motors and high power ESCs for unmatched aerial performance. For this today's demo, we are lifting a M400 with two batteries in its case, around 20 to 25 kilograms, just to show clients what the FlyCart 100 can handle. The FlyCart 100 supports real-time weighing to prevent overloading. During deliveries, if the cable gets tangled, the FlyCart 100's wing system lets you release it instantly, keeping the drone safe and the delivery on track. Equipped with a new LiDAR, Vision, and front and rear millimeter wave radar for small obstacle detection, omnidirectional awareness, and an innovative obstacle avoidance algorithm keep your cargo flying safe and precise. In crosswind conditions, the FlyCart 100 automatically adjusts its altitude, keeping flight ultra stable and your cargo safe no matter the weather. Now we are lowering the cargo for pickup, showing off the FlyCart 100's raw power and reliability. It can fly up to 6,000 meters, handle winds up to 12 meters per second, and it is IP50 rated and operates in temperatures from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius, built for any challenge. With a maximum flight distance of 12 kilometers. For demonstrations and further support, contact us at sales@aerosmart.de. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.